Welcome to this detailed voice tutorial on how to add a story to your WordPress site, a process that you can complete in just a few minutes. We will guide you through each step in a clear and concise way, ensuring that your experience is both smooth and straightforward. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. This is your first step in accessing the platform where you can create and manage your site. Once you are on the WordPress homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking on the login section will prompt you to enter your credentials and access your website dashboard. After you have clicked on the login option, you will see an option to continue with Google. This method allows a seamless sign-in process, especially if you use your Google account for online activities. When you click on Continue with Google, WordPress will ask you to choose the Google account you wish to use. Once you select the desired account, the system will authenticate you and take you directly into your WordPress dashboard. After signing in successfully, your next destination will be the Quick Links section within the dashboard. Here you will find an option labeled Edit Site, which you should click on. This action takes you directly to your site's editing interface, where you can make changes and add new features to your website. Upon entering the editing interface, you will see a list of your websites. Simply click on the website you want to modify to commence the editing process. This clear separation between logged in and editing modes ensures that you remain organized and can rapidly access the relevant parts of your site. With your website loaded, the next task is to add a new story. Navigate to the upper left corner where you will find a plus icon. This icon is typically used for inserting new blocks or elements into your website's layout. Clicking on the plus icon will open up a selection of options available to you. In the ensuing search bar, type in the word story. By entering this keyword, you instruct WordPress to search its library of features and elements for anything related to stories. Once the story element appears in the search results, select it by clicking on it. Doing so will add the story element to your website, placing it exactly where you wish to display your content. With the story element now a part of your page, you will need to upload or select the media that constitutes your story. To do this, look for the Upload or Select Media option, which will guide you to the area where you can choose images or audio files from your device or media library. This step is crucial as it allows you to tailor your story, visually or orally, to suit your website's theme. Once your media has been added and everything looks the way you want it to, focus on preserving your changes. Finally, complete the process by locating the Save option in the top right corner. Clicking on Save finalizes all the modifications you have made, ensuring that your new story is successfully published on your site. Following these clear and simple steps will have added a fresh and engaging story section to your WordPress site, all with minimal effort and maximum impact. This process not only increases interactivity on your site, but also gives you the power to update your content quickly. Enjoy the elevated engagement with your audience as you share your new story directly on your website.